See, this Commonwealth Games village that has been turned into a COVID center, it is functional since last 12 days. And today it is quite significant. What you see behind me is the first oxygen generation plant which the COVID center has got here in Delhi, because we know that Delhi was undergoing a lot of shortage of oxygen. Number of deaths were also noticed here, and they were recorded here in Delhi in various hospitals. And we've been seeing the SOS messages that have been dropped in, and the hospitals that have been demanding for oxygen supplies. So this oxygen generation plant, which has a capacity of 1,500 liters per day of supply, is quite helpful, quite beneficial, because it can assist people who are undergoing treatment in the hospital, the COVID care center, which has been turned up here. It has around 500 beds and 500 patients are taking oxygen. And before this oxygen generation plant was installed here, even this center was facing a lot of shortage of oxygen. But after the installation of this, we have noticed that the doctors here, they have welcomed, and they are saying that this will be quite beneficial in the treatment of plants without any break in the oxygen supplies of the hospital, the COVID center, which is functioning for the patients. So if we try and talk to the doctors here, Dr. Syed and sir, ये बताएगा, sir, we want to know if you come this side and show us what the plant is, how helpful it can be to the patients that are undergoing.
It's very helpful for continuous oxygen supply. Oxygen supply was like we were facing crisis and it was getting disrupted. So we had to shift many critical patients to other hospital, government hospital. They themselves are overburdened. Now we will have at least continuous oxygen supply for 15 to 20 beds. So that's very grateful.
So what do you think, doctor? We need these kind of plants in many other hospitals in the national capital?
Ma'am, mainly the COVID care centers are mainly for patients whose saturation above 90%. So as to decrease the load on the tertiary care hospitals, we have set up this center. Now to maintain this center, we need continuous oxygen supply. This plant will act as a boost for the patient. At least 15 to 20 patients we can maintain 24/7 oxygen supply. We don't have to depend on oxygen cylinder supply, which is a huge shortage not only in Delhi but all over India. It's a huge crisis we are seeing.
So, sir, this kind of setup you think is required in many hospitals. We know that lots being done also, but this oxygen generation plant, it's quite useful?
It's very useful, but it's very difficult to set these type of plant because most of the things we have to import from other countries. We are not manufacturing these plants in India. So, and the cost setup is very high. This costs around 70 lakhs for such a small plant to cover 15 to 20 beds. And lots of environmental clearance we have to get because they take natural air and convert that to almost 95% of the oxygen. So if it is there in hospital where a lot of open space is there, it will be very, very helpful.
So these kind of setups can be quite helpful, especially in the scenario that the national capital is facing, where the shortage of oxygen is claiming lives. So this is one good start, which gives a lot of hope, a lot of relief to all those hospitals who have been trying hard to get their share of oxygen. And many more such plants are coming up. We know that the Prime Minister has approved it, and the PM Cares Fund has also approved 551 such oxygen generation plants in a number of hospitals, especially all the government hospitals. So this is a good start, which is going ahead.